The 2013 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, fog lamps, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, compass, trip computer, heated driver's seat, leather seats, tachometer, heated passenger seat, rear wiper, power heated outside mirrors, driver memory seats, rear spoiler. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.